Hey, you got this set up for 7 1/4 and 3 1/2, right?
Yeah, go. Make sure you're flush or this way.
So we don't have to, right?
You cut that end.
Right.
What'd you do to your shoulder?
From the boards. All right, so we're just about to start installing our deck boards, but before we get into that, I just want to, Event seems a little different. He did get recognized out at a restaurant. So
I did, Sal. It was nice to meet you, Sal.
You'll be seeing a different Ant from now on. He thinks he's big shot now. Oh geez, where did
I'm just used to the cameras now because they follow me around. Everything, paint's always wet, bud.
It's always wet. Jeez. All right, anyway, we're about to start installing the deck boards. We've got some new fasteners that we're going to be using, so we're going to show you this whole process. We've got Deckorators Tundra going down, one of my favorite colors. Love this color combo. It's an all gray and black color scheme. I think it's going to be dope because this is the modern Mini.
Oh, that's the name of it. I do like it.
What, do you like that?
I like that.
Yeah.
Modern Mini.
Thanks. All right, you coming up to help us? Or
Not at all. I already helped you guys. You guys are good to go. I'm going to start prepping the other one.
Awesome. Love it. All right.
Hey. I don't gotta ask you. Shouldn't have to tell you anything. You not gonna pre-drill it with a 3/16 bit?
I wasn't here because this is gonna be covered by the kitchen. How you do one thing's how you do everything. All right. God. Thanks, Dad. All right. Well, this is gonna be under the kitchen, so I'm gonna continue what I was doing. I did pre-drill these, the rest of them. Those are gonna be underneath the kitchen.
Good habits, good habits. Start young.
So we have a dark slate and then a 7 1/4 Sierra board going on the outside of this as our border. So it's a double border. So what we've done is measured back for those two pieces and then snapped a line. Make sure that the first board's going in nice and straight. And then we can just continue off of that. And we're trying out a new fastener on this. We have the Deckorators stowaway fastener. So one of the problems that we've had a little bit with some other fasteners is it doesn't have as much meat on the clip. So when you put a lot of pressure on it to screw your boards in, it can dig into the board a little bit and make your spacing actually a little bit smaller. So I think that should eliminate that problem because it's got a nice wide flat surface that's not gonna dig into the groove any extra. So we'll see how it goes. Tom, you ready? Also, the guys thought it would be funny the other day. They painted the head of my...
Stop, you did that yourself. What did I just say to you?
I have no excuse. I have no rebuttal. He did just tell me that. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I will cut that off. I was just in the zone with the clips.
What did I say to you?
I'm so sorry. All right, we need this next one to go towards you a little bit.
All right.
So, don't get me on my phone because I've actually been working the whole time. It's good.
Really good. I remember like 10 minutes ago, like, look at that, we're almost done. You guys have put down one board since then.
Well, you gotta, like, you know, step back.
Oh,
What? That one?
mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
Why is that so hard for you to do? It's making my life harder.
Sorry. We got 30. Well, we got 27.
Yeah, we're good. We're like a 16th off.
I was trying to prank them.
Yeah, you guys are both being pleased.
Hey, somebody's got to, I guess. Told you Ant was gonna change. Straight Hollywood.
People can't handle the starlight.
Yeah, I gotta go. Going to Mexico.
Who?
Decorators Pro Summit.
Oh, Pro Summit?
Yeah, Decorators Pro
Congrats,
Summit.
man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate
Big
it.
achievement.
Can I borrow that hat? It'd be perfect for down
Nope.
there. Okay.
When are you leaving?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay.
You guys are gonna be without me.
I think we'll be all right.
You think so?
Yeah.
Call me if you need me.
Probably won't.
All right.
Call me if you need me.
Definitely will. All right, perfect. All right.
Check you later.
Catherine, I'm gonna be leaving.
Where you
I'm going to
going?
Mexico,
Mexico.
and it's okay if you guys are gonna miss me. Ant was trying to act strong,
Yeah.
which I do appreciate, but you guys don't have to. You can just be honest that you guys are all gonna miss me. It's okay. All right?
Okay. We're gonna miss you, Sean.
Thank you so much. It makes me feel good. Are you guys gonna be okay without me?
I don't think so. I don't think anything's gonna get done. Morning, everybody. It is day one without Sean, and it's pretty quiet around here. Tom is also out. Anthony's at the other job. So it's just me and Jose, and kind of quiet. I like it. But let's go around and we'll show you what we've got done so far. We're gonna kind of show you what we're gonna do. So first we're getting these walls up. All this fascia. This is actually the wrong color though. So Jose is going to fix that and put the right color up. He's working on that now. We'll walk over here. We're gonna get all of this up. This is gonna be a bench or like a day bed area. Get those walls up. And then we'll work on the kitchen. The kitchen is gonna have walls. It's gonna be a wall day. Lots of walls. I think that's it. Just wall day. Just wall day. It's just a wall day. So then another wall. We're gonna do that wall today too. And then hopefully Ant will be back this afternoon. He'll help direct what's going on. I actually have to go to the township, talk to them about the permit. So really it's just gonna be Jose for a little bit. But it's so quiet. Love it. So Jose is done our wall detail, which looks amazing, but for vertical fascia, we have to face screw it. So it leaves these holes in it, and we wouldn't leave it like that. That looks amateur. So we plug it with these plugs. They're color matched, they look great. You just have to make sure to line up the grain, plug it in, and you'll never see them. So before, lots and lots of holes, looks like Swiss cheese. After, you'll never see it. All right, so I'm working on building the stairs that are gonna come out of the back door. And let's go Right now I'm framing it up, but let's go show you where it's gonna go. So this is gonna come out of this back door. So because it's coming off a back door, we want it to be more of like a landing than just like a 12-inch step. So it's gonna be closer to 15 inches. So it's more of like a landing. It's gives you, you know, some nice secure footing as you're coming out of a door. So let's go frame it. Anthony made me a nice little study guide for me to work off of. All right, time to build it.
Oh man, already? Guess what time it is?
Tip time with Tony.
All right, time for a little quick and dirty tip. I gotta cut 22 of these 2x6s at like 2 5/16. Here's what I'll do. Come over, make a mark, get your board. So that's my cut. Draw a line on your chop saw. Keep sliding your board to that pencil mark. They're all the same size. The more you know.
This vlog. We got a lot of these boards down, walls up. We got a lot of good work done. How do you think it went without Sean here?
It actually went pretty well. I was actually surprised. I mean, we definitely didn't miss them.
Yeah, like in our hearts.
Is that you?
I think it's you.
Sean. Hello? What's up, bud? No, we're good. We're good. No, I don't have any questions for you. No. No, we're all right, dude. No, we're good. We're good. All right, man. I'll see you Monday. Enjoy the rest of your vacation. Later. Sean, weird. It's like the first time he called me.
All right, well, next week, what are we up to?
We are going to probably get some railings going.
Railings.
Maybe some of these beams done.
Beams.
Maybe the kitchen, some
well,
adorn
that's a little
stone.
teaser. You guys didn't see that yet.
Maybe it's the kitchen, a little adorn stone. But you're going to have to stay tuned.
Make sure you hit like, subscribe.
Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
And until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.
All right, guys, I gotta go.
Where you going?
Mexico.